Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nik Nur Irham bin Izmi Afendi from class DKV2A. Today I'm going to present about AutoCAD 2021 and my practical project for engineering drawing subject. So first of all, I will talk about introduction of AutoCAD software. AutoCAD is a computer-aided design (CAD) software developed by Autodesk for creating precise 2D and 3D drawings, used for drafting, designing, and modeling in engineering, architecture, and construction. Offers tools for accurate dimensioning, scaling, and geometric shapes. Allow user to draw 2D floor plans, mechanical parts, electrical diagrams, and 3D models. User-friendly with command line interface and toolbar ribbons for drawing tools. So, the version of AutoCAD is first released in 1982. AutoCAD was introduced by Autodesk in December 1982 for version 1.0. Second, specialized tool set for specific industry such as architecture, mechanical, electrical, and civil 3D. So number 3, file compatibility. Use DWG and DSF file formats. Each version may have slight difference in file compatibility. Number 4, subscription model. From 2017, Autodesk stopped selling perpetual license. Now it uses a monthly and yearly subscription. So lastly, the latest version. As of now, the latest version is AutoCAD 2025 with AI tools and better collaboration features. How AutoCAD works? AutoCAD works with computer-aided design (CAD). AutoCAD is used to create precise 2D drawings and 3D models on a computer. Besides, AutoCAD also works on coordinate system. It uses the Cartesian coordinate system (XYZ) to accurately place and draw objects. Number 3, drawing tools. User can draw lines, circles, shapes, and 3D objects using built-in drawing tools and commands. So number 4, 3D modeling. AutoCAD support 3D shapes, allowing user to rotate, extrude, and view design from multiple angles. So lastly, precision tools. Feature like snap, grip, object snap or snap, and dimensioning allow for high accuracy design work. So the coordinate system in AutoCAD is AutoCAD use coordinate system to help user to draw and place object accurately. The World Coordinate System (WCS) is the default system with fixed XY and Z axis starting at 0.0.0. The User Coordinate System (UCS) lets you move or rotate the axis to make drawing on angle surface easier. Polar coordinates use a distance and an angle such as 50 below 45 to define a point. So what is the difference between UCS and WCS? So for WCS, it is fixed, cannot change, but UCS movable and adjustable. So WCS is the default system, but UCS is set by the user. WCS used in drawing for global reference, but UCS used in drawing for local and custom drawing area. So the orientation of WCS is always standard XYZ, but UCS can be rotated and shifted. So WCS best for general layout and global view, and UCS best for detail and angle work. To create a new UCS, type UCS on the command window, then say new and specify 3 points on your new UCS plane. So this is the AutoCAD 2021 screen. So here a view cube. This is the navigation bar. This is the status bar. So this is the command prompt line. This is UCS icon. Model tab is here. Layout tab is here. So we can change visual control by click at here, and viewport control at here. So this is the application menu to export into PDF or save to DWG files. So this is the quick access toolbar. So this is the ribbon for shortcut. So this is for our cursor in AutoCAD 2021. Okay, how to insert command? Firstly, you must type your command in command prompt line, such as circle. Insert the center point coordinate such as 0.0. Then insert the size of circle such as 5 mm radius. A circle with 5 mm radius drawn like this. So I will tell about 2D command that have in AutoCAD 2021. So for number 1, we have mirror command. So mirror command will duplicate the same object. So number 2 is offset. Number 3 is fillet, to cut or make a curve on rectangle. So number 4 is trim. So number 5 is scale. We can adjust our object scale on drawing. Number 6 is array, to make withdrawing more faster. So number 7 is copy. So lastly we have chamfer. So what is 3D modeling in AutoCAD 2021? So the types of 3D models is wireframe model, shows only edge and line, skeleton view. Surface model has surface but no solid volume. Solid model, fully defined object with volume, mesh and surface. 3D modeling tools we have such as extrude, converts 2D shape into 3D by giving them head. Revolve, creates 3D shapes by rotating 2D profile around an axis. Sweep, move a 2D shape along a path to form a 3D object. So lastly we have loft, to create 3D object by connecting multiple 2D shapes on different planes. We also can control view control. Tools like orbit, pan, zoom and view cube help navigate the 3D space. This help us to make more easier to draw. Materials and rendering, apply texture, colors and lights to give realistic appearance and create rendered image. Export and presentation, models can be rendered, animated or export to other formats for presentation or further use in other software. So this is the example of 3D object that we can draw in AutoCAD 2021. So for number 1, we have rectangular. From this rectangular, this is 2D, then this is the 3D. So same here, cone, and this is cylinder. So I'm gonna tell about 3D command such as extrude. So what is extrude? It makes a 2D shape into a 3D object by giving it head. What you need is a closed 2D shape like a circle, square or rectangle. How to use? You just type extrude, click your shape, press enter, type a head like 10, then press enter. Example like this, a circle becomes a cylinder. We use this to turn flat drawings into 3D models like walls, pipes or blocks. So number 2 is press pull. It is used to turn a 2D shapes into 3D like extrude but faster and smarter. You just click inside a closed shape, then pull up or push down to make it 3D. So the step is type press pull. Then you click inside a 2D closed area like a rectangle or circle. Move your mouse up or down. Click again or enter the head. So this can create a new 3D shape from 2D. Cut or add material to existing 3D objects. Difference from extrude is extrude needs you to select the shapes, but press pull just need a click inside the shapes. So for loft creates a smooth 3D shape between two or more 2D shapes. You draw multiple 2D shapes like circle, square or spline on different levels of plane, then use loft to connect them into a single 3D object. So the step is, you just type loft, select the 2D shapes in order, press enter. AutoCAD creates a smooth 3D shapes between them like this. So the example is like this: a small circle on the bottom and a big circle on top loft. Why we use it? We use it to create complex, smooth or curved 3D shapes that extrude or press pull can't make. So this command commonly used to product design or commonly used in car bodies, bottles and any curvy objects. So the AutoCAD benefit, AutoCAD have many benefits such as save times. AutoCAD has many tools like copy, mirror and array that help you draw faster. Instead of drawing everything from scratch, you can reuse and modify existing design easily. Number 2, high accuracy. You can enter exact measurement in AutoCAD like 25.5 mm or 150 cm. This helps in creating very precise drawings, which is important in engineering and construction. So number 3, easy to edit. If you make a mistake or want to change something, you don't need to redraw the whole thing. You can simply move, stretch, erase or trim the parts you want to change. Number 4, this software allow user to draw 2D and 3D design. AutoCAD allows you to make both 2D drawings like floor plans and 3D models like building or machine parts. This helps you to visualize the final product more clearly. Improve design quality. AutoCAD provides tools for layers, dimension, text and hatching. These features help make your drawings neat, detailed and professional looking, which improve the overall quality of your design. So I'm gonna tell about my practical project. So for my project, I choose to draw a connecting rod on AutoCAD 2021 software. So a connecting rod is a part inside an engine that connects the piston to the crankshaft. When the piston moves up and down, the connecting rod helps turn that movement into a rotation motion. This rotation is what powers the engine and helps move the vehicle. You can find connecting rods in the engine of car, bike, bus and many other machines. They are made from strong metals like steel or aluminium because they need to handle a lot of pressure and movement. Without the connection rod, the engine wouldn't be able to work properly. So the application of connecting rod is mainly used in internal combustion engines to connect the piston to the crankshaft. It plays a big role in turning the piston up and down movement into rotary motion, which powers the engine. You can find connecting rods in many machines such as car and bikes, truck and bus, generator, pump and compressor, aircraft engine. Any machine with a piston and crankshaft will usually have a connecting rod to keep everything moving smoothly. So my project description is I use isometric and orthographic drawings. The dimension unit in millimeters mm. Commonly the command I use commonly is press pull, extrude, trim, join, subtract, circle and polyline. So this is my diagram of my project. So this is bushing, connecting rod, upper connecting rod, lower connecting rod bearing, connecting rod cap, and this is the connecting rod bolt. So this is the drawing of my connecting rod. So this is one part. The quantity is 1. So this is the connecting rod cap, quantity 1. So this is the view of shades of grey. So this is the drawing with a dimension. So this is the upper and lower connecting rod bearing. The quantity is 2 and their measurement is same. So this is a 3D view. So this is the bushing rod, quantity 1. So this is a drawing with a dimension, and this is the 3D view. So lastly, we have connecting rod bolt. So for bolt, I need two quantity. For one connecting rod, 2 bolt are needed. So this is the dimension of the bolt, and this is the 3D view of the bolt. For project assembly, so this is the project assembly of my project connecting rod. So this is assembly isometric view, and this is SE isometric view. So this is assembly drawing report. I put them in a title block, practical project. So this is SW isometric view, and this is SE isometric view. Okay, so this is the assembly drawing report. Okay, but we have a table with component and the quantity of component that I need. So this is the connecting rod. This is the bushing. Also same here, have bushing and 2 bolts at here and at here. And this is the rod cap. So for connecting rod, the quantity is 1. Rod cap also same 1. Rod bolt 2. Upper and lower connecting rod bearing is 2, and bushing rod is 1. So this is the top view. This is the left view. This is the side view, and this is isometric view. So this is the section of top view. So the dimension is already provided here. So the conclusion is, through this project, I have gained a deeper understanding of how to use AutoCAD software for mechanical design. I learned how to accurately draw and model connecting rod, which is an important component in internal combustion engines. This project helped me improve my skills in using drawing commands, dimension, and 3D tools in AutoCAD. I also learned the importance of precision and proper measurement in technical drawings. Overall, this experience has enhanced both my knowledge of engine parts and my ability to use CAD tools for real-world engineering application. So that's all for me. Thank you.